Hey guys, good evening. Yeah, I just finished my duty. Yeah, it's very dark here, but I have this waterproof light that I'm going to use, and this is how it is. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in my bike. Good morning, guys. We are going to the bike shop today. We're going to have my bike to have a general checkup and repair. We're going to have a shortcut here. This is actually a golf course, and inside there are many kangaroos. Yeah, sometimes they are here on this side. So I noticed this, there is something like a private subdivision here, and it's gated. There is something like a weekend market going on down there. We'll be walking on the side, but we're not getting close there, just here. Yeah, people are moving today. There are many cars, many people walking around. Nice. This side is a picture perfect. Yeah, look at this. If you look at this is really beautiful. Amazing. Yeah, if you can see the water there, sparkling, shining. There's some boat, there's some people, and yeah, here also there are many people. Amazing. I like it like this. Yeah, today we're going to get into the bike shop. This is Shoal Bay. Yeah, we're going to explore this place because I am going to leave this bike there for repair, and I will be just walking around. Yeah, already I left the bike there. The feeling is different when you are walking and exploring places than when you are in a car, in a bus, or in a bike. I'm curious with those the green plants things that are surrounding this. Yeah, we're going to touch that. Maybe it's just the leaves from the plants down below. What is this? Yeah, it feels like plastic, but it's leaves. Oh, there are many people there because in that area there are no things like this. There is very clean. We're going to have fish and chips. No, we're just going to get a cappuccino there, so that we have something with drinking while walking as they are. Awesome. Thank you. Yo, I just got this. This is bacon and egg roll and a cappuccino. $11, $5 for the coffee, and $5.50 or $6 for the bacon and egg roll. And it's so nice that they have a tip box in there, and it says that they are donating the tip to the Melanong unit in Newcastle. That's good. I'm not decided yet, but I am actually planning to get up there. Yeah, on top of the mountain. Yeah, that's my coffee and my bread because I went to the toilet. Yeah, I stop a little bit and then yeah, I heard you're speaking Tagalog. Hello. Yeah, they are speaking Tagalog. A big group of Filipino. They are having a picnic. Nice. We're going to sit here. We're going to eat this, and we'll be watching the people while eating this. You know, sometimes in the hotel, in our kitchen, when I'm on breakfast, there are people who are ordering, yeah, something like their snack that will bring, that they are going to bring to the boat in the sea. Yeah, they are ordering something like this, bacon and egg roll. So basically, what is inside is, of course, barbecue sauce, bacon, and fried egg, just like that, and it's really delicious. Look at this. This is again another picture perfect view. And we are now here. I don't think I am going to get up there because there are so many people in there. Yeah, as I can see, they are, yeah, I will not be able to vlog if there are much people in there because, you know, I will be shy to speak in the camera. Yeah, I was just sitting here for maybe around 30 minutes and noticed that the people are just keep on coming, going. Yeah, still a lot of people are coming. Even there, people are keep on moving up there. Yeah, that's it in this place. Yeah, I already got a call from the bike shop. They said that the bike is ready to pick up. Yeah, we're going to walk back now there. Look at this. There is one cool place here. Yeah, it's called the Penny's Seat. You have a nice view here while sitting here. If you are planning to come here in Shoal Bay or here in Nelson Bay area, there is one nice hotel that is very near to the beach, just in front of the beach. That one is Ramada Resort, Ramada Resort here in Shoal Bay. It is nice. It's like this. You'll be staying in front of the water. Yo, we are now back here in the, you know, near to the bike shop, and we're going to pick up the bike. Yeah, I got my bike back. There's still a lot of people on that mountain. Yeah. Wow, it feels different. It feels like new again. So nice. Yeah. I actually paid $170 for this to be serviced. Yeah. He changed the pads for the brake, 4 pieces of those. And the service is $80. He also changed some of the things here, so yeah, most of the things are new. I'm good with that. I am actually satisfied at the moment. Oh wow, beautiful ladies are there swimming, you know, sunbathing. Beautiful. I have this bike for almost 2 years now, and this is the first time that this one have been serviced. Yeah, and it works very well now. Yeah, we are now back here, and you know, it's still early, but some of the shop already gone. They left already. You know, along the way I meet Mr. Vincent. Yeah, together with the wife. Mr. Vincent is the guy that helps me to bring this bike to my apartment. When the last time I went to Salamander Bay, I locked this bike wrongly. So yeah, he helped me to carry the bike, put this bike in his car, and bring it to my apartment. So nice. Yeah, he offered actually to bring this bike to my apartment. Amazing. Australian are good. So we are now in the center. I'm going to leave this bike here and we're going to browse inside the shop. I'm curious about this hair thickening shampoo. And there are this thing. You know that my hair is losing and very thin now. Yeah, I'm curious, maybe there are really a shampoo that works to make my hair back to normal thick. Yeah. Yesterday I saw a blog about the hair growth and it looks real. Yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm looking for the possibilities. I bought this and we are going home now.